The peripheral nervous system is made up of the set of nerves and nerve ganglia that have the task of connecting the brain and spinal cord to the limbs and to the various organs and tissues of the body. This complex network of nerves allows us to move the upper and lower limbs, to perceive sensory impulses through the skin, and to control involuntary functions of the body, such as blood pressure and heartbeat. If one of the nerves in the peripheral system is damaged or malfunctions, a series of symptoms may be experienced that depend on the type of nerve involved and the severity of the damage. These include numbness, pain, changes in sensation, and difficulty completing certain movements. To keep your nerves healthy and strengthen them, it is important to pay attention to your diet. If in the previous videos, which you can find by clicking here above, we saw which are the best vitamins and antioxidants for your nerves, in this one, we will focus on some foods that help strengthen your nerves. Blue fish. The term blue fish indicates a category of fishing products to which a variety of saltwater fish belong, and as the name itself suggests, they are characterized by a color of the back tending towards blue. Within this large family, we find mackerel, herring, anchovies, and sardines. Although they are not strictly blue fish, tuna and salmon are often included in this category. Blue fish is an excellent source of high biological value proteins and good fats, but also of minerals and some vitamins, which provide numerous health benefits. Omega-3 in particular are a family of essential fatty acids that have been shown to play an important role in the development and maintenance of nerve health. According to a study published in the Journal of Neuroscience, omega-3 could be a valid aid in accelerating recovery from nerve injuries, particularly when they affect peripheral nerves. Thanks to their anti-inflammatory properties, they reduce the production of pro-inflammatory molecules, promoting the healing of damaged tissue and alleviating the pain associated with some neuropathic pain conditions. Omega-3s also have important neuroprotective properties that help maintain brain health and are in fact a potential treatment for a variety of neurological diseases and disorders, such as Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. Flax seeds. Originated as a bandage for the covering of mummies in ancient Egypt, and then used in the Middle Ages for the production of sheets and shirts, flax is an annual herbaceous plant that reaches a height of about 1 meter. Today, in addition to being used in the textile industry, flax is also grown for its seeds, from which oil and flour can be obtained, both used in the food sector for their nutritional and therapeutic properties. Flax seeds are an important source of vitamins, especially those of group B, vitamin E and vitamin K, but also of important minerals such as calcium, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, iron, and zinc. Flax seeds, thanks to the content of high amounts of biologically active components, such as lignans and alpha-linolenic acid, but also of omega-3 fatty acids, are able to lower the concentration of inflammatory markers and promote nerve health. Flaxseed oil, obtained by cold pressing its seeds, is believed to be able to protect damaged nerve cells, promoting nerve recovery. In fact, research conducted by Harvard University has shown that taking flaxseed oil supplements helps protect and nourish the myelin sheath that surrounds nerves. The guidelines recommend taking a teaspoon of flaxseed oil daily, to be poured, for example, on raw vegetables. Green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables are a large family of vegetables that take their name from the color of their leaves and is due to the presence of chlorophyll, the pigment responsible for photosynthesis in plants. Within this group we find, for example, spinach, lettuce, rocket, chard, and chicory. Green leafy vegetables have a very low calorie intake and are rich in antioxidants and dietary fiber. In addition to mineral salts, they also contain some vitamins, especially those of the B group, which have shown a therapeutic and symptomatic effect in peripheral neuropathies of different etiologies. This is because they support the functionality of the nervous system and promote the process of nervous regeneration when the damage is mild. Vitamin B1 in particular, together with vitamin B6 and vitamin B12, have in fact been included in the group of neurotropic vitamins because, as the name itself suggests, they play an essential role in the correct functioning of the central and peripheral nervous system. While vitamin B12 is mostly found in animal foods such as meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products, vitamin B1 and vitamin B6 can be found in spinach, lettuce, cabbage, and chard. In these vegetables, we can also find folic acid, known as vitamin B9, which, according to the results of a study conducted at the University of Beijing, contributes to the repair of peripheral nerve lesions. This is because folic acid can act as a neurotrophic factor that promotes the proliferation, migration, and secretion of Schwann cells, a particular type of cell that covers the axons of peripheral nerve fibers with protective and insulating functions. Additionally, consuming 1 serving of green leafy vegetables per day may help slow the age-related decline in cognitive ability, likely due to the neuroprotective actions of vitamin K, lutein, folate, and beta-carotene. Ginger. Originally from the Far East and cultivated since ancient times for its many properties, ginger is a perennial herbaceous plant consisting of a branched rhizome that grows horizontally in the ground. With a pungent and slightly spicy flavor, ginger is used both in the culinary field and in traditional medicine, thanks to its therapeutic properties. A study conducted at the Texas Tech University Health Sciences Center has shown that neuropathic pain can be alleviated by using ginger root extract enriched with gingerol. This is a bioactive compound naturally present in the ginger rhizome, which, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, is able to decrease the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines and therefore suppress the transmission of nociceptive signals. Ginger also contains some compounds known as salicylates, substances produced by some plants as part of their natural defense mechanism against infections, insects, fungi, and bacteria. Salicylates, so called because they are derived from salicylic acid, have anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, and not surprisingly, it is the basis of the production of aspirin, one of the most common and used nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs in the world. Introducing ginger into your diet is therefore an excellent natural choice to relieve nerve pain and improve their functionality. It can be consumed both as a spice to flavor dishes, such as vegetables, rice, or fish, or used in the preparation of fresh fruit smoothies. In conclusion, we have seen how the consumption of certain foods can be a valid support for the health of our nerves and the nervous system in general. It is important to remember, however, that although a healthy and balanced diet can help improve nervous function, in most cases, a complete therapeutic approach is necessary, which includes drugs and specific medical treatments. The degree of recovery depends on the cause that provoked the peripheral neuropathy and the extent of the damage. It is advisable to always consult a specialist in order to intervene promptly on the neuropathy, reducing the symptoms and consequently improving the patient's quality of life.